Good afternoon, hunters. So we have to start our live streaming. We got minutes before the market open. Let's check if sound is set, so we don't want to have the same trouble that we had yesterday when we didn't activate our mic. So let me know in the comment section here in the live chat if you can hear me all right, so we could actually kick our live streaming for today. Welcome, Michelle. Yeah, Lucy looking juicy. Right, that's why we put it on our list. Thank you for the reminder. Yeah, getting near the resistance. We got GFBR, second stock that we should watch. This one. GFBR, the second one. We got EBS from yesterday, still pumping almost 4%. We got Riot, we got Mara, so the market is reacting for today. Yeah, Mara getting kind of rejected near the resistance. FRC is about to pump. We'll see what's gonna happen for today. Hopefully a better reaction. Yesterday we don't have a good price action for FRC. Price didn't break the 14.18. Now we have a test in pre-market, but the price got rejected and went down. Let's check GCTK. We have a reversal from the bottom. Yeah, yesterday we did the huge pump, almost 200%. Not looking good because we broke the $2.60. Not looking good here. We hit our profit taken around the 360 or resistant. Yeah, it's not looking good. 21% down. Now we got a resistance around the $2.64. Support is around the $1.50. Lucy, on the other hand, looking better. 130% and still jumping. Yeah, looking pretty nice. Yeah, 127. We'll watch if we break the $3.50. Will be interesting play for Lucy. We might see a bit of drawback when the market open around this support, $2.79. I will put in case if we get there. Yeah, FRC a bit struggle around 18. Good morning, everybody. We got some stock actually jumping regarding AMC. Jumped pretty nice in pre-market. Yeah, interesting play here. Really interesting for EBS. I will check it out. Let me just check our list, pre-market list for today. Yeah, Lucid is number one in the top gainer list. Pre-market volume was almost 7 million. Yeah, pre-market around 113%. The other stock is NCMI. Yeah, this one looking interesting. I think this one, let me just check. Yeah, this one have great news. That's why it's jumping almost 100%, because AMC says that has almost 10% passive stake in this stock as of March 29th, 2023 at the last SEC filing. Yeah, so we got this stock have a relation with AMC. Let's check AMC. What's going on with AMC? I'll put AMC. I put this one, NCMI. Yeah, AMC 3%. Looking interesting. AMC have a support for today to hold over the 5. breakout $5.50. So yeah, AMC looking interesting, and NCMI, we got this play as well. But is in the midway because we already pumped big time. That's why I put alert around the 34 for this stock to have another pump, because already pumped in the pre-market. We got Lucid. Wow, Lucid, guys, Lucid is pumping big time. 150. Lucid, the juicy stock, pumping almost from here to there, 11%, going toward the profit taking, the $3.96, almost the $4. Wow, Lucid is getting juicy now. GFBR, yeah, this one broke the support, not looking good now. Take it from the list. EBS will keep it still. Mara and Riot looking, both of them really interesting, and FRC. So let me just put FRC AMC pretty near because it's about to break. ABS, we already have a trade open for ABS. Already did chart analysis update yesterday for it, around the swing trade play. And yeah, so Lucy is as well. We might have a drawback when the market open because we are overextended. If we get rejected around the 4, we need to have a reversal. So let me just put Lucy. Okay, we don't have Lucy. Let me just put AMC and put FRC, potential trade. So yeah, Lucy is pumping, guys. It's hitting the $4. We're gonna hit the $4 before the market open. This is really madness. Let me just check the pre-market volume. Yeah, almost 10 million. Wow, it's hitting the $4. Yeah, we hitting the $4 before the market open. Now is $3.93. We're gonna have the 4. This will be really madness. 168%. This is a massive resistance. We have to have a pullback. Great. Knoxville, well, killing it with EBS trade. Let me just check Lucid and power, plug power. Lucid, man, Lucid has been dropping back, but we held the support. This is good over the $7.40. So this is good that we held a current support here. Now we got an interesting level to break around the $8. Let me just put alert here, $8.39 for a break. Yeah, the $10 below the $10 is really important level to break. Lucid, let me just put a support. If we broke and the resistance, we might see a test now. the other one, plug or power plug, just plug. Yeah, this one, I remember this one. Not good for this one. Is look like will drop some more around the 7. And the time being, we have to watch it because this one is a top gainer before. Yeah, we have to watch out the $18 and the 30. In the time being, we could have a nice bottom to reverse from. Yeah, around this area. Let me just bring my between the 5 and the 7. You just bring my support because this price will be tested pretty soon. If we went there, would be an interesting play for a plug. The time being, yeah, 18. $79 for NCMI. 79% or 97% for this stock that related to AMC. 3% AMC looking interesting with FRC. Both of them we might have a continuation for today. Yeah, FRC and AMC looking interesting on the opening bell. Both of them looking ready to pump. AMC, we got a near support. ABS, it's going down. Mara, yeah, Mara is about to pump, guys. Mara is about to pump. Let me just put a new support. If we held it, would be a game on over the 8. Yeah, look really interesting for Mara. Let me just check how much we can do here. 21%. Give or take, we might see a test around the 10 first. 1044. You have to break. So let me just check how much we can do here. For risk reward ratio will be 2.34. we willing to gain 21 and the loss of 9. Yeah, not bad. So this is for Mara. For AMC, let me just calculate how much we can do from this trade if the market open. Let's say around this breakout zone, the $5.50, and the profit taking, let's say around the 6. Stop loss here 6%, 55. Risk reward ratio is better, 2.86. Good afternoon, Naeem. Welcome, brother. Or I call you Jean because we have many Jean here. Yeah, June, yeah, looking juicy. That's why it's on our list for today. Good morning, everybody, or good afternoon if you live in Europe. Yeah, Lucy is pumping like crazy, 160. We got the tests, guys, for the 4. And price get rejected, I think. Yeah, this is it now. The 4 is the testing ground. Yeah, we got the test for the 4. I prefer that we have a pullback when the market open. That's what I prefer because now is overextended. We watch for a huge pullback for Lucy when the market open toward this $2.79, and here should be a good entry. for a continuation higher. So here, if we pull back, is not a sell-off, but accumulation and reloading phase, because we already did a huge pump here, almost 200%. So watch out. Yeah, it's been pumping. It's the top gainer actually on our list for today. After that, we got NCMI. If you're new here, we already talked about this stock, and we said it's related to AMC. You know why? Because AMC have almost 10% passive stake in this stock. So yeah, this one is jumping 93%. We got Riot and Mara, both of them jumping in pre-market almost 5% because there's a Bitcoin doing all right. Bitcoin doing all right, both of them. Ethereum and Bitcoin jumping from new level of resistance and doing a new high. Yeah, Ethereum and Bitcoin looking really nice. Both of them looking really nice. Look what happened. Yeah, it's still in bullish momentum trend. We expect a continuation for this trend. FRC, on the other hand, still sleeping. Pre-market is 0.35. Still no high action. But we got kind of interesting support to hold. Still around the 1313. Resistance is really near. For AMC as well, the resistance is about to break now. We might see a break for this resistance for AMC when the market open. Now pre-market is just 4%. Yesterday we held our support at $5.12. So we might have a breakout here for AMC. It depends on your strategy. If your strategy is swing trade, the CPI will never affect those stocks. BFLY. Wow, we got a breakout. BFLY or Butterfly Network. Let me just check how much. 5%. Not bad. Not bad for Butterfly. This one is flying. Butterfly Network. Okay, let's be focused. We got just 5 minutes left. Just 5 minutes left for the opening bell. We got a new resistance for EBS around the 1290, below the 13. Yesterday we have a nice trend here, accumulation up. So we got nice flag for this one. We might see a continuation. Lucid is the top gainer for today, but yes, getting rejected around our resistance before. It was the profit taken, now is a resistance. We expect the price will pull back big time for Lucid. Dave, yes, trading view alert works in pre-market and after hours, both of them. Yeah, now interesting. Lucy really looking interesting, guys. Of course, Naim, I will check your request just briefly. Wait a second. Let's check WW. Yeah, this one jumping 40%. Let's bring my levels. Yeah, we got this. We got that. We got 2 minutes left, guys. 2 minutes left. HCMC jumping 33%. Let me just check this one. Yeah, getting near a breakout. Maybe, yeah. HCMC, we got SNAX. Yeah, we might have this one. Nope. Not looking good. This one, maybe, but just in case, I will check this. I will put it on our list. Maybe in power hour, but not today or not now, but everything's possible. Let me just put an alert around the $3.45 and forget about it. ZFOX or ZFOX. Okay, 1 minute left, guys. Remember, day trading is risky. Don't follow me blindly. Do your due diligence before you risk your own money. Let's get right to it, guys. It's Tuesday hunt, and we watching FRC and AMC and the other stocks. So FRC is going down a bit, AMC is going down, ABS is going down. Yeah, we have a huge drop down for the market. Lucid is still strong, actually. Surprisingly, really strong. We might see a huge pump until the 5. So this is it now for Lucid. If we broke the $4 and hold, this means a continuation. Otherwise, a huge selling pressure toward the $2.79. This is it for Lucid. NCMI, not today or not now, because there is the breakout is pretty far around the 34. WW, we'll see if we're gonna have a continuation toward the 7. On the other hand, Mara looking really interesting because we got resistance around the $9.52. We have it draw back. EBS looking really interesting. Let's see what's gonna happen, which stock will pump first. FRC, yeah, still huge selling pressure around our resistance. The 1418 should be a pump, huge pump for FRC. AMC is still the $5.50 is the price to be. ABS, yeah, ABS, we got resistance around the 1290. The price have like selling pressure on the market open, but we bought back. This is good. WW, yeah, it's kind of try to break a new high. FRC is pumping. Yes, FRC is pumping, guys. Watch out, FRC is pumping. Watch out, everybody. FRC is pumping officially. Finally, we got a pump. We might see a continuation now for FRC toward the 1490. Let's see a hold over the 1490 or the 1419. We're still testing. We don't have a clear breakout yet. AI is crossing. Yes, AI crossing to 24. We got a breakout, guys, for AI. Breakout for AI. You might see the 26 now. If we hold over the 24, yeah, 11%. $26, yeah, around this area. Wow, Lucy, guys, Lucy is pumping. There is no stopping for this rocket. Yeah, there is no stopping. We have a breakout now from the 4 going toward the 5. We saw the 200% for Lucy. This is really crazy. Yeah, this is crazy thing. Now it's testing this the breakout zone around the 4. So if we held it, is me a confirmation for a continuation. If we held the 4 now, this is would be a really straightforward trade toward the 5. Lucy is still pumping. Mara. Oh man, Mara is pumping. Yeah, Mara is officially pumping. Mara is officially pumping. You know what I'm gonna do? I'll put alert here just in case. Yeah, Mara is good toward the 1044. AMC not good because we got rejected around the $5.50. So we put Mara first for a potential squeeze. So Mara looking good. BLXB. So let me just put Mara here. Yeah, looking good for a quick trade. EBS. Yeah, BBY still didn't close our trade. Coin, we got many things going on. Coinbase, guys, all the stocks that have relation to Bitcoin is pumping. Mara, right, Coin now, Coinbase. So now is the time to load up on those stocks. They are pumping. They are pumping pretty good. On top of that is Mara. So we got Mara, we got Riot. Yeah, Riot is doing all right as well. So all the Bitcoin stocks is pumping. All the Bitcoin stocks is pumping now. So FRC is struggling. AMC is struggling. So we got Coin, we got Mara. ABS is still, yeah, ABS got shorted because we have a resistance around the 1290. So this is the resistance. We expect the price to go down because this is the profit taking already triggered. Let me just check if we have a support after this selling pressure. Okay, ABS. AMC is going down. Lucy still holding. Let me just take this from the list. I don't like this trade. Yeah, you see what's happened? We got rejected, a fake out. We might see a drawback now for FRC. Let me just put alert here. Coinbase and Riot and the other ones is doing all right. Yeah, we expect continuation for them. Let me just go in the big picture for Mara. Yeah, we got a great breakout. We expect a continuation at least for today, the 10, then the 11. Yeah. Okay, we got some people said there's a huge buying order for BBY bottom. Let's check if we have a reversal for BBY. Nope, not yet. So if we got a huge order or something unusual, we're gonna be triggered around this level. Let me just put it here, around the 32 at least. Otherwise, we still be trending down. On the other hand, we have to watch out for Mara and Riot, guys. Both of them are pumping because of Bitcoin. Both of them will have a huge day today. And Coinbase, of course, because it's about to break. It's about to break an important level around the $70. So watch out for the crypto stocks, guys. Crypto stock doing really pretty nice today. We have a great sentiment. Let me just check. NOGN. NOGN, we got some question about this stock. I will check it for you now. NOGN, 19%. Oh yeah. It's still the $4.18 is the breakout zone. The support already did a nice gap today. The bottom it was around the $1.90 or $1.20. So we need to hold the new support here, $1.67. The bottom, of course, is still around the $1.90, but the $1.67 should be the support. The resistance still around the $4.18, which is the breakout zone for today or this week. So the most important level for NOGN is the $4.18 break. This is where we're gonna have a squeeze. Other than that, it's kind of tricky here because the short is still shorting and have a new position here on the $2.45. So this is the lowered resistance for NOGN around the $2.45. This is lowered resistance or the first resistance, and the $4.18 is the squeeze. So let me just put alerts here, and the support is over the $1.67. We have a pullback for Riot and Mara, huge pullback. Yeah, huge pullback now. Huge pullback. Yeah, huge pullback now. This is not looking good. AMC have a still consolidating sideways. The same with FRC. Lucid getting back down. Still holding the pattern though. Still holding this pattern. We got a bit of selling pressure there, but the price bought back over the $3.70. Mara have selling pressure because this is a really important level of resistance. The short add some position here, but the price is still holding. We have a huge wick from above and a huge wick from below. This is really decisive moment now. The next break will confirm the bullish momentum for Mara, because the shorts just add a huge position here when we broke the $9.50. GameStop hit our scan. Wow, GameStop is pumping, guys. We have a great level. We got something going on with GameStop. BBY is pumping, I think. BBY is pumping. Yeah, now it's pumping. BBY is pumping 9%. Now there's something going on with BBY. First signal for something going on with BBY. This is good. Good reaction from the bottom. We might see a reversal now from this huge bottom around the 32. Yeah, we got something going on with the market, guys. Something going on with the market. All my alert is triggered. So many alerts been triggered now. We got Lucid. I think it's breaking our resistance. CVNA. So we got Lucid as well. We might see a continuation here. Oscar. Oh man, this one, I'm telling you, this one is going to new high. It's breaking a new high for this one, Oscar. Yeah, we might see a continuation for Oscar. This time toward the 8. CVNA is doing all right. CVNA going to a new high, a breakout. So we got a breakout around the 10. Wow, so this one as well looking really interesting. Let me just put the support here. So CVNA, it was one of the stock that we were watching before. Yeah, now it's squeezing. CVNA, we put it on our list. Mara's doing all right. Mara is doing all right. We held over the 922. We might see a continuation now for Mara toward the 1048. Yeah, for right as well. Coin, Silvergate hit our scan. Coin hit our scan as well. Yeah, Coinbase is pumping now. Is pumping around the 70. Yeah, really interesting play now for Coinbase. Yeah, CVNA is squeezing, guys. 14%. NOGN still 23%. Already have our alert around $2.45. We might see a great action there. And let me just put alert around $1.65 just in case if we broke this support. For Lucy, still around $3.49, below the $4. We didn't break this ascending channel, so this is good. We're gonna have a continuation as long as we hold over the $2.79 as a support for today. We might see the 5. AMC is struggling below the 5, and FRC is about to break. Yeah, it's about to break this level, the 1418. And Mara doing all right, 6%. We got sold off, now is trying to have a new high over the 10. Let's see if we held. Bull trap. Yeah, pode financier. We got bull trap. I don't think so. For Mara is still doing all right. Z Fox already covered it, I think. Z Fox is going down. As we discussed before, the $3.45 is our interesting price to break. As long as we're below it is risky. For Mara, we gonna go toward the 10. Yeah, new high. We try for a new high for Mara now. We're trying for a new high. Let's see a new high for Mara. Yeah, EBS. I have a struggle below the $13. Tesla doing right. Neo 3%. Let's add Lucid here to the list, because we might have a squeeze for Lucid for today until the 9. Let me just check how much we can do here. 14%. Now it's dicey because we're testing an important level of resistance still testing area around that $8.50. Yeah, this one light on volume like yesterday, 360K, that's it. Okay, Mara, a new high, guys, a new high for Mara. Let's see a continuation for Mara. We need let me just check how much we could actually do. Another 7%. Yeah, it's doable. 14% for today is doable after this breakout. Yeah, right. Mara and Coinbase. Yeah, Coinbase is doing all right as well. We have a breakout from the 70. We got MWG. We have MWG, guys, breakout. If you remember, we did the chart analysis for it before. We said the $6.70 is the breakout zone, and finally we broke it. NWG. NWG. So NWG $6.77. Yeah, we just have a test. Let's see if we broke the next time. If we broke this level, it would be great. We have a test and a wick. Just a test. CVNA looking interesting. NWG. It's funny how those crypto stocks going at the same percentage wise. We got Mara 8%, Riot 8%, Coin 8%. So we got an algo who actually buying all crypto stock at the same time. This is not normal, guys. This is not normal. I'm telling you. This is not normal. The same percentage. It's not 5 or 8 or 10. No, 7, 8, 7. Just 1% apart. Yeah, the market is getting predictable. I don't know if it's good or bad. You can take it as a bad thing or a good thing, you know. I think everything you can take it as a bad or a good thing. Yeah, tomorrow we got Paul. The Fed tomorrow, the Fed meeting. Yeah, we're gonna check it, Dave. We're gonna check BRDS. We'll put it on the list. Hi, Elmar. Happy to see you here, brother. Yeah, everybody was watching Silvergate. Everybody watching closely Silvergate. Because it's jumping from the bottom, from the BIS. We already did chart analysis or video pre-market update for Silvergate. Because it's getting near a bottom. Silvergate. Yeah, 32%. Yeah. It's pumping, guys. Wow. Yeah. $1.30 was our bottom, as we said. This is the bottom. Breakout, it was around the $1.69. And of course, the profit is the $1.93. Great hunt for this one. Silvergate. Interesting. ATVK. ABS is pumping. Let me just check this one. ATVK. This one was a top gainer 2 years ago. ABS, yeah, it's pumping now. ABS is pumping. Mara is pumping as well. Yeah, Silvergate, we're gonna have a bit of drawback now. The price will push back. NWG. Okay, man, this one mean business. NWG. NWG mean business. Let us add some alert for this one. Around $1.93. Silvergate doing all right. FRC still, guys, not ready yet. Mara, yeah, we expect another pump. Continuation, another 5%. Right, coin. Yeah, Coinbase. Coin doing all right, 8%. Let's see. Yeah, Coinbase looking interesting now. Did 8%. Look at this, guys. 8%, 8%, 8%. Yeah, this is not coincidence. Let me just check CVNA. Yeah, Silvergate is doing alright today. We got earning after just 1 week. Let me just put an alert now around the $1.69. Silvergate looking interesting. This one is still pumping, guys. EBS to the moon. Yeah, Lucy is still pumping. We expect the $5. CVNA got rejected right around the 10 or the $10.80. Silvergate, yeah, it's going back down to test the support around the $1.69. Yeah, it was great hunt for us for today. We did Silvergate first. Yeah, it was really good hunt for us, and pre-market was really down. Let me just check. Yeah, the pre-market, yeah, when the market opened we were around this level, and we got requests from our hunters for this stock, Silvergate. Yeah, it was a really nice hunt because we were around the $1.31, which is the bottom support, and we expect the price actually to reverse. And if we broke the $1.31, we said we're gonna have a huge plunge. So we had the squeeze over the $1.66. So yeah, that was really good hunt. CVNA, we hunted for it before. Took some time. Yeah, it took some time to actually break and test this breakout zone, the 10, but we're still not in clear to have squeeze like Silvergate. Lucy is getting juicy and still pumping. Yeah, still pumping. Let me just put it here around the 4. Yeah, we might see a drawback now for Lucy, because we didn't break this resistance. We expect the price go toward the $2.79. So we got AMC as well getting near. FRC, let me put those here. AMC and CVNA, and those looking really interesting. Mara, Right, and Coinbase. Thank you, Sonia, for your take about the market. It's good to have this kind of pessimistic view. Usually will save us a lot of money and never get FOMO when the price actually jump, like today when it jump huge for many stocks. However, if we want to confirm, if we don't have a major sell-off for those stocks that pumped, we just have to watch for potential support for all of them. Like for Mara, still we holding the $8.70. For Right, still the 10. That's why they're still pumping, you see. And Lucy, of course, still have a current support around the $2.70. So now Lucy, it should go back and get shorted. So Lucy, now is time to short Lucy. Actually, it's time to short Lucy. Toward the $2.79. Yeah, top volume gainer is for today is Lucy. Then we got Tesla. WW is still doing alright, doing higher highs. Price going toward the 7 now. So we have a stairway to heaven for WW. Yeah, we got so many levels to respect. $5.90, $5.50. For Mara, on the other hand, yeah, still kind of holding over this support, $9.29. Z Fox is pumping 50%, is on the top gainer list and the top volume list. Exela is pumping. I believe Exela is pumping. BBAI, okay, today jumped 9%. Not bad. Yeah, not bad. We jumped from this resistance, the $2.73, going toward a new high or new resistance. Let me just check. Yeah, BBI doing all right. We're gonna have the 3, then the 7 after we clear the $3.33. Let me just put my alert for BBI or BBAI. We might see the break now. Watch out, guys. We might see a break now for BBAI. We already have support and resistance for it. That's why I updated now. Wow, EBS is doing all right, still pumping. Wow, what a rocket. This one never stopped. From yesterday we did 21%. Target. This one we should go toward the 14 without any trouble. Hopefully we're gonna go toward the 14 without any trouble. This would be great. So Lucy is still on the top list, still hugging our ascending line. Z Fox look dicey here, a bit dangerous. A bit dangerous for this. WW still pumping. We expect the $7.11. BKD. Wow, so for this one is a bit far. And OGN 22. But yeah, we're still watching for this one to break the $2.48. This one didn't break the $2.64, which is our current resistance. So this is a weakness. Okay, Mara is still doing all right. Right as well. Let me just bring my alert just in case here. For Mara, yeah, okay. Coinbase. Lucy, yeah, it's gonna break, guys. Watch out. Lucy is about to break and going down big time. We're gonna have a huge selling pressure. We're gonna have a huge selling pressure after we have the $3.56. We're gonna see a selling pressure big time around the $2.79. Let me just check how much we can plunge down. Yeah, another 25%. Not big deal because we're already 150%. Yeah, we're gonna lose 30% from the 158. So it's not big deal. Silvergate and EBS. Yeah, EBS doing all right. But low volume. Why is your last day for EBS? Okay, EBS. Let me just check something, guys. A lot of you saying EBS is the last day for EBS, then we're gonna have a huge selling pressure. Yeah, it's worrying to me because the price is shooting up. We don't have any consolidation period. Yeah, I expect the price will continue to have a bullish momentum until the 14. Then we're gonna have a sharp reversal. As long as we don't break the current kind of support, yeah, around the 12. Let me just lower it there and make it as a support. We'll see if we continue to hold over at least the 1250. Okay, Mara is still pumping. Right as well, Coinbase. Everything is pumping. We're still watching for AMC for a break for the 5. FRC, finally we're breaking. For FRC, finally we breaking an important level. Let's see if we hold this time. Let's see if we have a breakout and going toward the 1490 this time. Wow, FRC is still not decided yet. Yeah, we don't have decision. We need to hold and break and continue to go higher. Let's see how much we can do if we have a pump. Yeah, we're missing 5%. For today market to have a pump. Lucid is going down, guys. Lucid is going down as we expected. Price of Lucid should go down toward the $2.70 to have a reversal. It's pumping almost 200% pre-market, so it's overextended. Aha, so many of you said Exilla looks sexy today. Let's check Exilla then. Yeah, Exilla looking interesting, guys. Looking really interesting. We have a breakout from the 4. So this is the first level that we talked about before. We said we have to break it to see a bit of volatility. So 9% for Exilla. Then we got the 5 cent. Yeah, now the 4 cents, and then test for the 5 cents for the other level. Yeah, we got the green market today, so watch out, guys. We might see a huge pullback later on in the day, because tomorrow we have the Fed meeting, so we might see some people close their position. Anticipation for tomorrow news. So this has always happened. We have a huge pump in the first phase of the market, then a huge dump when the market closes. But the idea is it's not always the case. Like when we have a pump, we have to establish a new support. If we have the pump, then we lose all the profit that we make for today. Yeah, we see this as a pull trap, but if we're still holding a new support, this is good. Like for Exilla now, for example, after we broke the 4, we need to hold it as a support to continue to go higher. If we plunge down and we went again around the 3, yeah, will be a pull trap. FRC is still low on volume, guys, really low. Any break for any resistance, we don't have enough volume to continue for this break. That's why we said any price below the 15 is still not strong indication for pull momentum for FRC. The 15 is the most important level. But general is better than nothing, because the price is doing something. It's going up slowly. But yeah, here there's no money to be made for FRC. So price go just 35%, 0.35%, and going down, then up just 1%. Yeah, here is really risky trades. Yeah, FRC is not looking good now. We just put alert here and forget about it the time being. And decision phase for FRC. AMC on the other hand looking interesting for a break now for the $5.50. CVNA the same, $10.80. Mara is pulling back a bit. And Silvergate is going back to test the $1.69. Yeah, it's not interesting, guys. FRC is really not good to trade on this current range, you know. If you want to lose money, you trade on this range. Good, Luis. Good hunt, brother. Let me just check for this trade back. Our Luis brother traded this one. A huge pump for this one. 136%. Okay, so this one, yeah, it's really good. 50%. We have a new support. Yeah, this one is a bit risky now. So Luis, the next time if you don't want to miss the gain, you can actually do trailing stop. So this is good strategy and a good example because Luis just bought the stock around this area, the 22 cents, and he took profit here around the 24. So he said already took my profit pretty early. So yeah, it's a bit early at 12%, but it's good. However, if you do trailing stop, you enter around the 22 and you do trailing stop and you put, you don't have to take profit, you let the profit go and you just make your stop loss higher and higher and higher every time. So what I suggest, do trailing stop, and what I mean by trailing stop is mean the stop loss instead you actually lose 5% or 10%. You put it breaking even, then you put it on 5% or 10% profit, and whatever the price go up and new support will be created, you just make your support higher. So in this case, the support should be around the 27, and you don't have to exit because you're already here around the 22, and you let it go up, and now your stop loss here around the 27. Which is, let me just check how much you can make from the 22 cent, let's say. yeah, you'll be making until now 22 cents or 22% instead of 10 or 12%. So you see, you could actually protect your gain. But be careful, because you might see your portfolio in 1 second almost 50%, then the price go down and you see 25%. So this is make you feel FOMO because you already lost 25% from the 50% gain. So don't be fooled and be angry that you lost already that 50% and you didn't take profit higher. But if you go back in time, if you don't do train stop, 20% is better than 10%. You see, if we did train stop. Yeah, now for back is good as long as we hold the 27, but now is kind of overextended. Yeah, like for Lucy, see what's happened. Lucy is now a downside on the downside now. So for back and Lucy, back is still an uptrend movement because the 27 is the support. We'll see if we hold it. Yeah, silver gates going back to test the support on those 67. AMC looking good. Yeah, volume is increasing, 9, almost 10 million. But yeah, we have to watch out for the 550 or around the 547. It's getting near actually for AMC. We have to watch out for a break. Already put alert for AMC break. Yeah, Lucy will continue to go down. We are on the downside for Lucy. Top volume gainer, 44 million. We got Exilla as well, looking really nice, holding over the 4 cents. We might see a start for a huge squeeze for Exilla. We're missing another 20% for the other profit taken. For back is still holding the 27. We might have a huge pump for back around the 37. Wow, Bitcoin is going down a bit. Yeah, breaking a trend. Breaking kind of the trend. Wow, we hit the 30,000 for Bitcoin. Yeah, we hit the 30. Now it's going down because we hit the 30. 29,000. Let me just put it here. Wow, man. You see what's happened? Mara is really sensitive for Bitcoin price. Really sensitive. Even Coinbase, yeah. Really sensitive for any price fluctuation on Bitcoin. Yeah, ABS getting near the $14. The profit taken. Yeah, this one looking interesting, guys. The 37. Let me just check how much we can do from here if we actually win there. Another 30%. Yeah, it's doable. As long as we hold the 27, there's a potential pump toward the 37. Wow. So 10 cents, 37, 27. 37 as a profit, 27 as a support. And 37 as a profit. Roll the dice. I like your name, brother. FRC, as we said, the $15. Any price below the $15 is child play, man. If you want to lose money, you just trade FRC below that. Because it's manipulated and algo trading, there's a huge bot trading FRC, actually preventing the price to fluctuate higher and lower. So the prices fluctuate between the $15 and the $11. Is not good to make money there or trade it. So I don't suggest trade FRC in this range. Yeah, John, FRC is pretty weak now. That's why we took it from the list. Until we break the $15, we're gonna have a great action. Now, not yet. PACW, John, he said is better than FRC. PACW, another bank, another regional bank. Let me just check this one. PACW. We said is better than FRC. I don't know about that. It's the same range. It's the same scenario. Both of them are ranging. Both of them are ranging down below. So yeah, still ranging and doing higher lows. Okay, but PACW is below the 12, so I wouldn't trade this stock below this. So the same as for FRC, PACW 12.57 is not good to trade. It's really risky and low volume. Child play here. School, middle school boys trading, not the big boys. The big boys trading here. The big boys trading here, either for short or for a buy. Here is time to lose money. So I don't suggest to trade this one below the 12.57. If you want to short, by all means short, but short it after we break the 850. But yeah, we have this two range. And WAL, John, for this one, the other hand, we got worse. This is worse. Yeah, this is looking even worse. Yeah, the 41, we got the 40, yeah, almost around the 40, almost around the 41 WAL. And yeah, the support is kind of around the 24. So yeah, we got another range for WAL to 41 and 24 consolidation area. After the 41, we're gonna have a break. Back is going back down to the depth. It's going down. Yeah, now we are on the downside because we broke the 27. Not looking good, guys. This one gonna go back big time. Boom. Maybe we're gonna have a support here. Yeah, here we should have a support over the 22 because we broke the level of support. Yeah, AMC still. We are crawling back up, but we are barcoding. Look at this candle. We are barcoding now. We have 3 algos trading here, 3 algos trading here, keeping the price low for AMC. For AMC, there's something going on. There's something going on behind the scene, behind the curtains. For Lucid, as we said before, we're gonna have a continuation down because we got rejected around the $4.13. And OGN is bumping now. MAT is to watch also, guys. We'll see. Not manipulation, but the market maker is holding the price. They don't want any volatility for AMC. There's a lot of thing going on, you know, a lot of factors preventing this from happening. And it's good and a bad thing, you know. It's good because we might have a squeeze and the short seller have to cover because we kind of accumulating below the resistance. And this is kind of good because we're gonna have more stronger pump, you know. So this is good. Xander, come on. You know, in the news they make it bigger than it is, you know. So for the riot here in Paris is not as like bad as you think, but here in French people are like really, when they want something they get it. So here we have kind of republic kind of governing, so we have this kind of thing. French people never actually satisfies. Always there's rioting. Always. Even before, you don't see it on the news, there's always a riot. There's always closing the road and things like this. Each weekend, imagine, each weekend there's some people rioting about something. Feminism, about gay right, about, I don't know, you name it. If you don't like something, you just go bring your friends and go on the street. So this is France. It's normal. Some people taking baguette and taking brioche, and some people rioting and making fire and breaking things, you know. So yeah, for the news, they actually amplify these things. They amplify the rioting in Paris, amplify the effect, you know. This is news. So it's not big deal. Trust me. Everything's good. Man, sometimes I don't like people use freedom on the wrong like spectrum. Like now we call freedom like breaking things, breaking cars and breaking glass. This is called freedom. No, this is not freedom, man. This is called bad manners. So people taking freedom and the other like far spectrum of doing bad things, and they call it freedom. Come on, man. This is what I don't like the word freedom anymore, because people use it in the wrong situation. Exactly, it's abuse of freedom, and I think it's not even that, but because people are lost and they don't have something to focus on, they just want to belong to some community. So some people don't even bother about their retirement age or things like this. They just want to belong to a community. Some people just want to break things because they don't have anything. So they use this opportunity to break things because they don't have anything, or they have rage inside them. They're not satisfied. They don't have anything to pursue or to focus on in their life. They do drugs or whatever. I don't have any like problem with the drugs or anything, but the problem is I have is people that don't have goals or don't have things to carry about or to do, and use rioting or like for instance for French rioting about the retirement age or some cause. They use this problem or this riot in order to express their feeling, to destroy things, to steal things. Even some people steal things, man. Some public like stores, they break it, they get inside them, steal. So this is not rioting. Like, what you doing, brother? I asked someone like, what you doing? It's like, this is like a private property, and you break and to steal, I don't know, like TV and things like this. Man, this is madness. I told you, this is an excuse. This is really an excuse to steal things and to break things, Anyway, this is not our focus on. We just focus on the market. But we are the same field, I think. This is kind of related. Now we have riot, but more organized riot, which is people buying and selling. Before, like, we don't have a computer and internet. A lot of people on the floor in stock exchange in New York, they rioting and shouting for the price, and it was a mayhem, Now we more civilize, we have riot, but behind the scene, behind the chart. So here we have a huge riot happened here. A lot of people actually sold big time for Lucid. That's why the price didn't break. And now the price is still continue to go down because a lot of people screaming, sell, 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 sell. And this is what happened, a huge red candle. So when you see this huge red candle, you don't see or you don't hear shouting or people shouting. You just see a red candle. But back in the day, in the 1990s, this red candle, if you are in the New York Stock Exchange and the Wall Street, you see a lot of shouting, a lot of people, no, sell, $3, $3.50, $3.40, $3.42. And this what drives the price down. But now we take it for granted because we see red candle and you just sip a cup of coffee and you sleep. There's no action. You don't see this action, But for me, when I see this kind of red candle, I imagine a lot of people screaming and running around in the street and try to sell things. And so make it more excited, because if I just see red candle or green candle, I will be bored, So I'm trying to ignite my imagination to see some people buying and selling, some people actually fighting to get the right price. And so it's good to have imagination. If you get inside my head, you see a lot of things going on, That's why sometimes I get I don't talk because I can see a huge movie or a full movie in front of me just by seeing the chart. So Lucy, yeah, we are in the midway now between the $4 and the $2.70. Whoa, everybody said a weakness. AMC, a weakness. For my opinion, no, it's not a weakness yet, because the price is still holding the 5, so it is good, not bad. The weakness that we had for AMC is the $5.47. After we test twice, the price got rejected. So this is normal. AMD hit our channel with a huge selling pressure. Gem, yeah, I know this is stock channel, but everything is related, brother. Right, can actually affect the stock market. So everything is related. Everything is related in our universe. When you have this perspective about everything, you can actually make a good connection about anything. Everything is connected, brother. So we got support here, 89. AMD is going back. It's going back a bit. Let me just check if we test the 89 now. Let's see back. Okay, we have interesting thing. Let me just take this off. Wow, ABS is still pumping. ABS is still pumping for today. Yeah, AMC is slow day for AMC. Slow day for AMC. This is always the case for AMC, because usually when we have this kind of reaction, when we have this gap, that the prices will be trading in a small range. After each gap, we have this kind of trading behavior for AMC. So the good reaction that we should see for tomorrow is gapping up over the $5.47. We need a gap. AMC is a gapper. Yeah, Jim. I know. Politics is kind of hard topic, you know. That's why we don't actually discuss it here. But some of our hunters here ask about the riot in Paris. That's why we have to explain it. Yeah, Jim, $5.40 for AMC. Looking the price for the short seller have to cover there the $5.47. Interesting price. That's why we're watching AMC closely for a power hour. Expecting power hour for AMC, guys. Power hour for AMC. Mara is still holding. Going up and down, but steadily still holding. Right, look more stronger than Mara, 10%. It's going toward the 13. Lucid still sideways. Yeah, Silvergate is on the downside because we're already pumped from the bottom 33%, so the price have to give. The good thing that we're still holding the $1.67. You're welcome, Max. You are welcome, brother. Power hour is 3 a.m. for me. Whoa, where you live, brother? Don't tell me that you are living in Asia. Yeah, I think in Asia is in the morning, because here is 10 p.m. or 9 a.m. or 9 p.m. Yeah, here in France, 9 p.m. And the other side in New York, I think will be around 4 p.m. something. So you are in Asia side. That's why you are in 3 a.m. in the morning. Correct me if I'm wrong. Or in New Zealand maybe. So you are like 90% chance you are on the other side of the world. Asia side, toward China or Japan or Korea. Really interesting. 3 a.m. Let me just check. Yeah, now Paris is 5 p.m. In New York is 11 a.m. in the morning. Sydney is 1 a.m. in the morning. Wow. Yeah, Tokyo is 12. Yeah, I think it's Tokyo. Yeah, Tokyo right now is 12. So in power hours would be around the 3 a.m. in the morning. Yeah, I just check it. Aha, so Australia, yeah, Sydney. Near New Zealand, Australia, yeah, I was near. Interesting, yeah, interesting. That's why living in Europe is really the Goldilocks of trading the stock market, because you can actually, you don't have to wake up in the morning for the pre-market, and you don't have to stay late for the after hours. Or even in power hour. So yeah. And if you live in Europe, it will be easier, but it's really hard to with taxes and things like this. So Singapore and Dubai and things like this is way less complicated with trading. Yeah, John is the best, I think. A lot of Europeans never trade, you know that? Most European here, as we said, they don't trade. They usually enjoy their money. Whatever they have in the month, they just spend it on wine and like leisure and things like this. They don't invest. Yeah, man, Kingston. Yeah, I sleep 10 hours at least. Like, sleeping is the most important thing for me. Because if I sleep right, I don't have to, to be sleepy at the day, and I don't have like a problem with my body. I will be like full, you know. Yeah, John, I think Americans they trade more than, or they invest even in more than European. You know why? Because here in Europe we have the best social security system by far, I think, because the healthcare system and everything, you be taken of like, you don't worry if you get laid off from work, or if you want to like retire, you get paid fully, so you don't have to worry at all. Even for the healthcare, whatever you want is already paid for, full option from the government. Yeah, Silvergate is breaking the support. So yeah, that's why the people here don't care about investing, because the government actually take care of that. So that's why people just spend whatever they earn. CVNA, AMC. So yeah, ABS is doing really good. EBS, guys, 8% today. John, I think you told me that the healthcare and social security is good as long as you work with a good company. But I'm talking about even if you don't have a coverage from a good company, if you don't have a good job. Here, even you don't work at all, you have a full coverage for healthcare. So this is the difference between American and even Europe, because even you don't work, you don't have nothing, you be covered fully. If you're French, you be covered fully for the healthcare. So this is way, way big different. And that's why a lot of people don't invest. So Canada have the same. Yeah. That's why Canada is the top list of the good country a lot of people want to migrate to. So this is one of the reason, I think. Yeah, Tesla doing all right. What's wrong with that SPY? There is no wrong with the SPY because it's just sideways trading. We are still below the 425, so we're not in bullish momentum yet. So the SPY trading sideways still. That's why we don't have a huge movement for the SPY. It's kind of boring trading. You see here the range is really small. The range is really small. That's why we go even less than 1% each day. Tesla's going 2%. Yeah, still below the resistance. So Exela doing all right, still holding the 4 cent. Back is going back down. Lucy, yeah, we're gonna have a continuation down. And AMC, yes, preparing for something big. Volume now is 12 million, guys. Before it was below the 10 million, now 12 million. We have to do update, of course, for AMC here. And day trade, not swing trade. And day trade channel on Discord. And of course on Patreon and YouTube membership, we're gonna update those stocks. If we have a breakout, of course, over the resistance for AMC and Mara continuation, of course, we're gonna have to update this level of price action for Mara. And the other stock like Silvergate and Exela, of course, because it's bumping. Now it's going down a bit. But we watch closely because we want to confirm this breakout. As everybody said, there's a potential for a pull trap before the Fed meeting tomorrow. So we want to confirm those breakout that happened today. ABS won't stop. Yeah, man. ABS, I think it won't stop, man. It's gonna continue. It's gonna continue to go higher, this one. Yeah, it's still pumping. Okay, we're gonna do update, of course, today around 8 p.m. for the stock that we're gonna hunt for tomorrow. Of course, we put Mara, Ride, Coinbase, the other stock that's on the the same kind of relation with Bitcoin, because they are jumping because Bitcoin going to $30,000. So we have to update those stocks in today's video. And tomorrow we're gonna do a pre-market update, of course, before market open, and live streaming as usual around 3 p.m. CET or 9 a.m. Eastern time if you live in the United States. Okay, guys, thank you for watching for our today hunt, and let's get ready to hunt for Wednesday, tomorrow market. See you in the next update.